Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge at home easy full guide. Begin by gathering sugar, butter, milk, and good chocolate and line a pan with foil or parchment. Melt gently, then boil to the soft ball stage while stirring constantly to avoid scorching. Remove from heat, beat until thickened, add vanilla, pour into the pan, cool fully, and cut into squares for sharing. In this video, I will show how to make fudge at home easy full guide. Heat butter, sugar, and milk together and bring to a gentle boil, monitoring temperature carefully with a candy thermometer or softball test. Stir steadily and avoid overcooking, which causes grainy texture. Once removed from heat, beat until fudge thickens and loses gloss, then fold in chocolate and vanilla before setting to ensure creamy, even results. In this video, I will show how to make fudge at home easy full guide. Consider mix-ins like chopped nuts, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of sea salt for balanced flavor. Fold them in gently after beating. Let the fudge cool and set fully before slicing to preserve clean edges and consistent pieces. Store in an airtight container at room temperature or refrigerate for firmer texture and longer freshness when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.